To replace the blades on your Syma RC helicopter, follow these steps. Turn off the helicopter and remove the battery to ensure that it cannot accidentally start up while you are working on it. Locate the blade that you need to replace. Each blade is attached to the rotor hub with a small screw. Use a screwdriver to remove the screw that holds the blade in place. Be careful not to lose the screw or any other small parts. Gently pull the blade away from the rotor hub. It should come off easily. Take your new blade and line up the holes with the holes in the rotor hub. Insert the screw through the blade and into the rotor hub. Use the screwdriver to tighten the screw securely. Repeat this process for each blade that needs to be replaced. Once all of the blades are replaced, reinsert the battery and test the helicopter to make sure that it is working properly. Note: it's always a good idea to have spare blades on hand in case of accidents or wear and tear. It's also important to inspect your blades regularly to ensure that they are in good condition and not damaged. Damaged blades can affect the performance of your helicopter and even cause it to crash.